How do you doing? What do you want? Conversation and communication in Arabic language or the grammar of Arabic language. Or you want to learn the Holy Quran, Hadith, Fiqah, Usuli Fiqah in English, Arabic, Urdu, Pushtu. Or you want to learn the recitation of the Holy Quran with tajweed like that. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. So you are at the right place. This is Shah Faisal from Pakistan with 11-year experience in teaching Arabic language and other Islamic knowledges. I have many diplomas. I have been completed my Islamic graduation in Arabic language and other Islamic studies from the most high educational system in the world, Wifaqul Madarisul Arabiya al-Pakistan. And I have many students from the whole world learning the Holy Quran, Arabic language, Fiqh, Usuli Fiqh, Hadith and Usuli Hadith. If you want to hire and raise your communication skills in Arabic language like a native Arabian, so don't miss me.